Okay, so welcome back everybody. Let me see, I'm recording. Yes, so today we're going to do a full video for narrow versus a wide range of breadth and Ethereum, and I'm going to show you real results. So it is very hard to find on YouTube some YouTuber like myself who are going to give you the real results of yield farming. Now, and then you can do your consideration: is it worth it or not? So you can think about, oh, maybe this is good or maybe not. And the best thing here is I'm giving you my results, and then you can learn, is it good or not? So before we go there, just make sure you understand, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Make sure you never ever put more money you can afford to lose, because you can lose everything. So if you never watched any of my video, I did also a couple of days ago for Ethereum and USD Plus, narrow versus range versus wide range. So I'm doing experiment for you and for me to see which one is working the best. Also I did PopCat and WIF 90 days results. So far they have been doing great. Now today the market is not great, but it is what it is. Let me show you my results. Also I did a big giveaway, $200 I sent to 5 people, $40 each, and watch the video tomorrow for Lumia notes. This also a new note coming very soon in 10 days time. Make sure you watch that video for the new note, because you want to be there day number 1. You don't want to miss that out. Okay, so let's go and let's see the results, the real results. So if you are in the UIG group, Underdog Investor group, even in the free version or paid version, you will see my article here. The best stuff here is you can follow everybody, all people, portfolios, and you will see what they invest in, how much they invest in, and so on and so on. So much information. Portfolio UIG group is the best group out there to learn yield farming. Make sure you join now and say CryptoPhil send you. The link is down, because they're going to have join fee of $500. Okay, and now the fee is free. So make sure, maybe if you decide to join, if you're thinking to join, maybe join now. Okay, so VET versus breadth. Okay, VET and breadth. Sorry, LP. Narrow versus wide range. Okay, so 1 week ago, last Wednesday, today is Friday, last Wednesday on the 7th of August, I did invest 2 pools, $100 each. The narrow range was 4% up and 4% down, and the wide range was again $100, same amount of money, 10% down, 20% up. So also take into consideration, this is auto rebalance, and I use, as I told you, Aperture Finance. With Aperture Finance, this is Aperture Finance. It's one of the tools what I'm using: Krystal, Aperture, VFAT, and also now Metrics Finance. Okay, so let's go back. So what I invest. So let's go first with the narrow range. -4 + 4, $100, and let's see the results. I did claim once, twice, sometimes 3 times per day. So in 1 week I was able to claim. Let's go and see. There we go. Let me just move my face now so you can see. Can you see everything? Yeah, you can see, correct? Let me see. Yes, okay. So in 1 week, can you see like that? Maybe like this. Let me see again. Let me just checking if you can see. Yes, you can see everything. Okay. So in 1 week, I was able to claim. Let me just see again. Yes, okay, perfect. So in 1 week, I was able to claim 16 times. Okay, I did claim 16 times in 1 week, which means some days I claim twice, sometimes 3 times, morning and night, and it's auto rebalance. Did automatically rebalance of exactly, there we go, right here, you will see 6 times in 1 week. So this is how I did. So if it go out of range, it's going to readjust 4% up and 4% down. So it was automatic rebalance 6 times, and total fee earn of $4.5. They were reinvested back into the pool. So in the nutshell, is it worth it or not, narrow range? So in the nutshell, if you want to see the results, it's right here. So I did in 1 week, my LP is now $98. So this was 2 days ago. Now it's a little bit less because the price went down. So I earned $12.20 from fees. My LP is $2 less, so total profits of $10.23 will give you 10% return in 1 week. This is for $100 investments. That is huge. 10% return in a week. Okay, that is huge. Take into consideration, this is only 1 week results. We need definitely more weeks for real results to see if this strategy is working or not. Let's go and let's check wide range. So for the wide range, I did exactly the same. What I did is, if you go down here, you will see for wide range, my range was between -10 and +20%. So I say, okay, breadth can outperform Ethereum. Okay, what's mean 30% wide range? I invest exactly $100, the same exactly auto compound, and you will see in my screenshot that it was only auto compound. Let me just go back only once. Okay, didn't need to adjust for more times because the range was high. Now, one time auto rebalance, and I did auto harvest exactly the same time, 16 times, which means twice per day, morning and night. Because when it's auto rebalance, if you don't harvest, your money going to go back into the pool, and I don't want that. Okay, so let's see if how much we earn. So the range is 30% up and down. Okay, and in 1 week we earn exactly, yes, there we go. So in 1 week, my $100 they are 99.20, and I earn fees $5.10, which means give you profit of $4.30 for wide range. So in this scenario, in this experiment, narrow range is the winner of 10% profit, and wide range is also the winner, but only 4% profit. So 10%, 4% profit. Take into consideration, please, that this is only for 1 week results. In a week time, I'm going to bring you again the same exactly pools, everything what I'm doing the same, but the results probably will be different, and don't be surprised in a week time, wide range to be the winner and narrow range to be the loser because of the price fluctuation what we have in the last 48 hours after I write down this article. Okay, so that's about it. This is my experiment. And if you have any question, ask me down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to give you all the answers I can. Also, don't forget that if you want to join Crypto Lab Research, join, because they're going to have deposit fee very soon of a fee to get in. Fee to get in of $500. So maybe take that into consideration, because it's worth it to get in now, especially the free version, and you can learn a lot. All right, thank you so much. God bless. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. I should see you in the next one.